All right, hi guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little house tour. Show you guys the extreme clean that I'm gonna be doing in the next couple videos to come. So if you go straight, you will see our guest bathroom. It's pretty nice size. All the doors or all the cabinets are soft close, which is super nice. You can see the toilet paper that our puppy tore up. Pretty nice size half bathroom. Here you can see the 10 totes of stuff that I was telling you guys that I need to go through. I've kind of just emptied like 2 of them, but as you can see, I just threw everything everywhere since we've just been super busy. So this is our laundry room. It's pretty nice size. Again, clothes, totes, stuff everywhere. This is Dallas's cage. I just threw it in there since I had to go pick them up by myself from the airport since my husband had to stay in Miami and fly them out. So this is our storage room. This is temperature controlled, so this acts as our garage since we do not have one. And we do have a sunroom, however, it is not temperature controlled, so when it rains, everything that you would put out there is exposed to the elements, and so we will probably just close the store off and obviously try to organize it as best as we can, but realistically that's just going to be where all the excess goes. You walk through here. This is a storage cabinet with all my husband's Coast Guard stuff. The stairs to the upstairs. Then you enter the living room, which is really nice size. You have the dog beds over there while we're downstairs, so they have something to lay on. We have some beach chairs and a makeshift little table made out of more storage containers that we have to go through. We are using Isabella's kennel as a TV stand so we can eat dinner like a good old American family while watching TV. So that's Isabella. The sunroom has 2 entrances, this one, and then the blinds are obviously closed, but right here as well. So if you go here, this is the sunroom. It has a fan. This is not temperature controlled at all. The inside is, but what's super neat is that this is all enclosed and it has screens on it, so you can actually sit out here in the evenings. It's actually pretty nice most of the nights, and not get eaten alive by the mosquitoes, so I really like that. I think we're gonna look at getting like a lounge chair or a couch, or use one of the tables that we had in San Diego here. My husband really wants to put a TV right here for football games, so that will come later. There's Miss Dallas. We put up a little makeshift little fence since my husband's gonna be gone from work for a little while. Super temporary, but I wanted to make sure that the dogs had some space enclosed that they could run around. Yeah, so the neighborhood goes in a giant circle. This is the neighbors, or the neighbors, well obviously, but the kids' playgrounds. The neighborhood is actually have 24/7 security, armed guards that do rounds every hour, and they're really on top of it. So that's really nice and relieving some stress since we are in a new U.S. territory that I've never been in. So it's kind of nice that I know that we have people watching over us at all times. So then go in here, and this will be the dining room. Hopefully our table will fit here. We have some nice little island chairs that will hopefully fit perfectly there. Coming in here is the kitchen. Don't mind my husband. He's making us lunch. There's a bunch of stuff just thrown everywhere. Right, and then I'll take you guys upstairs. So we actually got, I think, one of the newest remodeled houses, so everything's super nice. The tile is super beautiful. Like I showed you guys, the cabinets are really nice where they have this slow close. This window just leads to our neighbor's house. Nothing super interesting. Right here is the water heater, I think, or the air conditioner. Yeah, the air conditioner. And then this is the guest bedroom. You walk here. Pretty nice size. And all the houses are, well, the houses on the base or the housing facility here are all made out of concrete. So if there is a hurricane, we normally just stay put. As you guys can see, we have a beautiful view of the gate with barbed wire all the way around. Obviously not the best view, but it is, again, like I said, reassuring that we have security and that we are safe, especially since a lot of us have husbands that are away for long periods of time. So it is nice to know that we're not alone, and that if we ever needed anything, there are people here to be able to assist very quickly. So, yep, that's this guest bedroom. And then this is the linen closet. Started putting stuff away. Dirty laundry on the bottom. Obviously need to probably redo everything and just go through everything. This is the bathroom. Super filthy. We had trash cans that we packed, so I don't want to buy a brand new trash can when we have some that the movers are going to bring. Yeah, the shower. Nothing super interesting here. And then this is the master bedroom, also super hammered. We are sleeping on air mattress like we have been for the last 2 months, since it does take 60 to 90 days to get our household goods to the island. We had a really nice air mattress, but it got a hole during travel, so that kind of stinks. But you know, this $20 one from Walmart is doing a great job. This closet is actually ginormous. So you come in here, and Coast Guard stuff, obviously. You're gonna organize all of this, and then just threw in so much random stuff. So gonna definitely just need a good cleaning and organization, which all of those videos are coming soon. And then we have a balcony. I really want to do something out here. Oh, as you guys can hear, the thunder. It randomly rains here without a notice. About like an hour ago, it was downpouring. So I would love to do a cute little setup with like a table and a couple of chairs. However, we're gonna just have to make sure that we find something that's water resistant and just can handle being rained on. And since it is so humid, I really want to make sure that something doesn't mold. So that's gonna probably be a much later project. Right now is gonna be focusing on organizing everything so we can be functional and live our lives without living in buckets and in chaos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour, and look out for more cleaning videos. Bye.